Next topic is the units of work. Now, what is the SI unit of work? SI unit of work is joule. We know the formula of work is force into displacement. SI unit of work is joule. Force is Newton. We have done in 9th standard. Displacement is meter. This also in 9th standard. So if I have to define 1 joule, means 1 Newton into 1 meter. So work done is said to be 1 joule. When you are applying a force of 1 Newton on a body and the body covers a displacement of 1 मीटर, जब आप किसी बॉडी पे 1 न्यूटन फोर्स लगाते हो और वो बॉडी 1 मीटर डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर करती है इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्स, कि जिस डायरेक्शन में आपने फोर्स अप्लाई कर रही है उसी डायरेक्शन में वो आपकी बॉडी 1 मीटर डिस्प्लेसमेंट अगर कवर करती है. सीजीएस यूनिट इज अर्ग. अगेन वर्क इज फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. वर्क का सीजीएस यूनिट अर्ग, फोर्स का सीजीएस यूनिट डाइन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट का सेंटीमीटर. 1 अर्ग मींस 1 डाइन इनटू 1 सेंटीमीटर. वर्क डन इज सेड टू बी 1 अर्ग when 1 dyne force applied on a body makes it cover a displacement of 1 centimeter in the direction of applied force. Very important question, as we have done in 9th standard also. In 9th standard we have done the relation between the SI and the CGS unit of force, that is dyne and Newton. Here we will study the relation between the joule and erg. We know that 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. We already have studied in 9th standard 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. And 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 5 zeros here, 2 zeros here, means total 7 zeros. Dyne centimeter, and dyne centimeter is equals to erg. That is 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 erg. Next is your power. The rate of doing work is called power. Beta, we have studied many times. I have told you in 9th standard also, whenever there is a word rate means divide by time. So power is equals to work done upon time taken. Okay, see here one thing is clear, that power is inversely proportional to time because time is in denominator. That is, if time taken is supposed to cover the same work, if time taken is more, it means power will be less. If time taken will be less, it means power applied will be more to cover the same work. Let us take an example. A crane lifts a heavy load in 5 seconds, whereas another crane B does the same work in 2 seconds. Compare the power of crane A to that of crane B. This was question in this year ICSE 2020. We know since work done is same, so power is inversely proportional to time. That is PA upon PB. It will be equal to TB upon TA because power and time are inversely proportional. PA का time नीचे आएगा, PB का time ऊपर जाएगा. So TB upon TA, TB का time in 2 seconds, उसका 5 seconds, second cancel 2 by 5. So PA ratio PB is 2 ratio 5. Now we are going to find the relation between the power, force and velocity. क्योंकि कई बार 2 marks में इसकी derivation also comes and sometimes there is a numerical related to it. We know that power is equals to work done upon time taken, and what is the formula of work? Force into displacement upon t means time. Now displacement upon time is your velocity. Displacement upon time is your velocity. Then the formula of power becomes force into velocity. Next is your units of power. First is the SI unit of power. SI unit of power is watt. We know that power is equals to work done upon time taken. Power का SI unit है watt, work का joule, time का seconds. तो 1 watt means 1 joule upon 1 second. So power is said to be 1 watt if 1 joule work is done in 1 second. अगर हम कोई भी अप्लायंस में 1 joule वर्क करते हैं 1 सेकंड के अंदर, तो मतलब उसमें पावर कितनी यूज हुई है? 1 वॉट यूज हुई है हमारी. इसका सीजीएस यूनिट, वर्क का सीजीएस यूनिट क्या है बच्चे? अर्ग. टाइम का क्या है? सेकेंड्स. तो दैट इज अर्ग पर सेकेंड. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन द एसआई एंड द सीजीएस यूनिट ऑफ पावर? वी नो दैट 1 watt is equals to 1 joule upon 1 second. 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 erg upon 1 second. That is 10 to the power 7 erg per second. One very important unit of power is horsepower. My favorite question, ICSE board's favorite question this is. It is also the unit of power, and remember they ask you that what is the relation between the horsepower and the SI unit of power. SI unit of power is watt. So what is the relation between both of them? 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt or 0.746 kilowatt it is. Next is your energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Like work, energy is also a scalar quantity, and units of energy, since energy is similar to work, so SI unit of energy is also joule and CGS unit of energy is also erg, and 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 erg. We have already proved. Now there are some more units, commercial units of energy, those we are going to study. First is your watt hour. Remember first, what is the definition of watt hour? 1 watt hour is defined as the energy spent by an appliance of power 1 watt in 1 hour. एक अप्लायंस जिसकी पावर 1 वॉट है, जब हमने उसको 1 घंटे के लिए ऑन किया, उसने कितनी एनर्जी स्पेंड करी, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर 1 वॉट आवर। एंड किलोवाट आवर, 1 किलोवाट आवर इज डिफाइंड एज एनर्जी स्पेंट बाय एन अप्लायंस जिसकी पावर कितनी थी 1 किलोवाट, जब हमने उसको कितने टाइम के लिए ऑन रखा 1 आवर के लिए ऑन रखा। किलोवाट आवर वाला क्वेश्चन इस बार 2020 में भी आया था। Now let us find the relation between the watt hour and the joule. For that we know that 1 watt hour means 1 watt into 1 hour. 1 watt, watt we have already studied, watt is your 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per 1 second. So 1 watt की जगह पे लिख सकते हैं 1 joule per second into 1 hour. 1 घंटे में 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds. Second cancel, solving it we get 3600 joule. So 1 watt hour is equals to 3600 joule. Now 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. 1 hour, again we know that 60 into 60 seconds, and watt can be written as joule upon second. Solving it we get 36 and 5 zeros. और अगर हमें पता है इसको 10 रेज़्ड पावर में लिखना है, तो हमें पता है कि जो भी ये हमारी मैग्नीट्यूड होता है ये कभी भी 1 और 10 से 1 से छोटा नहीं होता, 10 से बड़ा नहीं होता। तो इसको इसमें कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने क्या किया, 10 से डिवाइड, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई। तो 5 zeros पहले थी तो 6 zeros बन गया, और यहाँ पर 3.6 बन गया हमारा। नेक्स्ट इज कैलोरी। कैलोरी की डेफिनेशन बहुत ही ईजी है। सपोज हमारे पास बच्चे 1 ग्राम वाटर है किसी वेसल में, अब हम उसको, और उसका टेम्परेचर मान लो है 14.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस। अब हम उस 1 ग्राम वाटर को कितनी हीट देंगे ताकि उसका टेम्परेचर 14.5 से बढ़ के 15.5 बन जाए, वो जो अपने हीट दी, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर 1 कैलोरी। तो इसकी डेफिनेशन दो तरह से हो सकती है कि 1 कैलोरी इज द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम 14.5 टू 15.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस, या हो सकती है टू रेज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ 1 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर बाय 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस। If the question is 1 calorie is equals to how many joule, that is 4.186 joule approximately, or you can say it 4.18 or 4.2 joule also. And 1 joule is equals to 0.24 calories. Electron volt is also the unit of energy. And what is the relation between electron volt and joule? It is 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule.